Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing ozoni, a traditional Japanese New Year's mochi soup. The delightful chewy rice cake and flavorful hot soup will leave you craving for more. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 1/3 of carrot, 4 pieces of shiitake mushroom, 1 cup of komatsuna, 1 yuzu, 2 pieces of kirimochi. For the soup, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of dashi powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Peel the carrot and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Cut off the stalk of shiitake mushrooms and optionally decorative cuts on the cap. Wash the komatsuna and cut it into quarters. Peel the yuzu, remove the white part, and shred it. Step 2. Place the mochi on the grill or toaster oven with the parchment sheet and cook it for about 5 minutes or until it becomes puffy. Step 3. Combine water, dashi powder, soy sauce, and salt in a saucepan. Add the carrots and heat over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Add the komatsuna and shiitake mushrooms to the pot. Simmer for a few more minutes. Place grilled mochi in a serving bowl and arrange the soup ingredients. Pour the flavorful broth over the mochi and ingredients and finish by garnishing with shredded yuzu peel. I hope you enjoy this ozoni, traditional Japanese mochi soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free onigiri recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.